Filterpur Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited was established in March 2013, located in Shunda District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, an important home appliance town. The company has invested more than 50 million yuan in total, with a plant area of 10,000 square meters. Filterpur is OEM and ODM that has 5 workshops: mold workshop, focus on mold design, development and production of water purifier complex flow channel products; injection workshop, professional injection filter and waterway pressure parts, full robot automation; RO film rolling workshop, 100,000 level dust-free workshop, automatic production of high-end film rolling; filter workshop, the first rotary disc type high-speed spin welding, high-precision pollution-free airtightness detection; assembly workshop, high-quality parts, lean production workshop. Since its establishment, the company has been committed to the implementation of the ISO 9001 quality management system, adhering to the business philosophy of quality, professionalism, integrity, and innovation, focusing on the research and development, production and processing of water purifier filters and integrated water circuit boards, providing customers with structural design, water treatment system design, and production and processing and other overall services. The company's mission is to provide customers with green, environmentally friendly, safe, and high-quality filter elements to improve the user's healthy drinking life. Through the team's perseverance and continuous improvement, after 7 years of hard work, the company has become a water purifier filter manufacturing enterprise with strong new product development capabilities, production processing capabilities, and quality assurance capabilities.